I'm Thomas Shimahorn. You guys are watching drawing, illustrations, and art. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 ways that you can use charcoal. Tip 1. You can apply charcoal powder to your drawing using blending stops, brushes, and ShamWows. Tip number 2. Using vine charcoal to block in your drawing. Vine charcoal is a very, very soft piece of charcoal that doesn't really stick to the page, so it's perfect for your beginning initial sketches. Tip number 3. Now, I had to come back in for this tip because I was talking about how you can layer graphite over a pencil, and I just wanted to clarify and kind of make it shorter that you can layer charcoal over graphite. You cannot layer graphite over charcoal, because one is darker than the other. Also, you have to have a softer, more creamier type of charcoal pencil. If you don't, then the charcoal won't work and so forth, which is why a lot of people don't want to use charcoal with graphite, because they don't mix well. I just thought that that was something that I should add in here. Tip number 4. Quickly add tone to your drawing. I'm not sure if this is a tip, more of like a suggestion, right? This tip probably depends on you and so forth, but when I'm starting out and I'm trying to do things, I like to quickly get tone in there and get an idea down, and then come in with the charcoal pencil and darken up those lines and so forth. And there's revealing the medium within your chart. This is important, right? But for the longest time, I'm telling you right now, this is so much better than sharpening your pencil the regular way, right? Sharpening your pencil with a normal pencil sharpener so that it's like this, right? This is a writing pencil. This is how you sharpen a writing pencil. This is how you sharpen a charcoal. You see the difference here? I know that this is for writing and this is for drawing. The reason why this is for drawing, this is for writing, is because this lets you get low to the page, and this is more for detail, right? Well, guys, that was 5 tips on how you guys could use charcoal to draw with, so on and so forth. I'm sorry that the screen was blurry. Please go check out my website, where I try to keep up with a blog over there, along with creating various things, updating you guys, so on and so forth. Everything that I do gets uploaded there before I upload it here. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe to my newsletter, which is also on my website, and I will see you guys in the next one.